mission, I'ma get it. You know I be on a what? Yeah. You know I be on a what?
What's up, everybody? On today's YouTube video, I'm going to show you how to 10x your business, your wealth, and your impact. And my name is Kevin Kartchner. A year ago, I left my dad's company, and since I've started the Fight Against Mediocrity, and I've been able to help hundreds of entrepreneurs and business owners create their own economy. Okay, so one thing that is critical for you to do inside of your business that not very many people do is figure out what are the 3 things that increase your impact the most. So I'm going to share with you what to do with those 3 things, but first I want you to come up with the 3 things that impact your growth the most. And what you're going to do is you're going to figure out, okay, this is my business, this is what I do. What are the 3 things that as a company we need to focus on in order for us to grow and hit the goals that we have, whether that's a revenue number, whether that's customers, whether that's impact, whatever it is. Like, what are the 3 things you need to do? It could be sales, systems, and processes. It could be sales, marketing, and creating content, whatever that is. It could be a lot of different things, but figure out your goals for your company and then what you as a company need to do to hit those. Then, and this is the most important part, break that down into what each team member needs to do. So I'll give you an example in our company. One of our goals for 2022 is to enroll 1,000 new client enthusiasts. So instead of setting an income goal, we actually set a number of people impacted goal. And the reason we did that is because I'd rather focus on people and then the money will come. If we can impact people and provide value, then the money will come. And so each team member has specific priorities that they focus on in order to make that goal happen. So for example, Caleb is our setter, our messenger, and his goal is to set up appointments. So each week he tracks the number of appointments he sets. And in our Monday, Wednesday, and Friday meetings, he reports where he's at and how he's done. And then if it's where it needs to be, great. If it's not, we immediately know something needs to change. And the quote that's very important to remember is by Thomas Monson. He says, when performance is measured, performance improves. When performance is measured and reported, the rate of improvement accelerates. So a lot of people think this is really complicated and they just don't do it because they're not sure how. Here's all you need to do. Create a document. Put your company's, you don't have to do this part, but it helps, your company's mission, values, or mission, purpose, and values at the top. Then put your 3 goals for the year as a company. Okay, that's one dashboard. And then you're gonna track those goals as a company on that dashboard. Next, create a similar dashboard for each team member. So for example, I'd have Kevin at the top and then put put the company's goals and then put what are the things that I need to track and do each week in order to hit our goals. So one of the things that I need to do is be creating YouTube videos, podcasts, content, writing new books, making sure we sell out of our events. So I'm going to track those things. And each week, at the end of the week, I'm going to say, did I hit where I need to be? If yes, we know we're going to hit our goals. If no, then something needs to change. But what happens is if you don't track these, you get caught up in delusion, thinking you're on track, but you're really just off in the weeds, off on this, off on that, and you're never actually focused on what's going to actually move the needle for your business. So if you're struggling, if you're wondering, man, why am I not improving? Why am I not hitting my goals? Why are things not going? Figure out, okay, what are our company goals? What do I need to do each week in order to hit them? Track them and watch as your improvement accelerates. This is a short video, but it kind of extends a little bit on Monday's podcast of like separating yourself from the pack. This is one thing to do to make sure you're separating yourself from the pack, is staying focused and doing things each week that will move you towards your big goals. Okay, well, you guys are awesome. If you're interested in learning more about how to do this, I created a system called the Accomplish Anything Blueprint. It's a system everyone in my programs use, all my team uses. If you're interested in that system, click the link below and I'll get it over to you to make sure that you can start tracking and start improving your life and 10xing your impact. Have a fantastic day. We'll catch you on the next video.
Man on a mission, I'ma get it. You know I be on a what? Yeah. You know I be on a what? Man on a mission. get it, you know I be on a